podcast is a satire about a fictional pretty bad romance psychic. Any similarity to a real psychic or fictional psychic is purely coincidental.
From a penthouse apartment overlooking Goose Lake, it's time for Ronaldo the Romance Psychic. Are you having problems with your partner? Ask Ronaldo if he can see what the future has in store for you.
Hello, this is Ronaldo speaking. I am here to help you. I use my mind to look into the future. I have an amazing ability to close my eyes and see visions of what will happen with anyone's relationship or their love interest. Peter and I receive calls from people who are desperate for someone to help them with their romantic relationships. Anyway, Peter, let's take our first caller.
Arnold is our first caller. He says his girlfriend's son is a 9-year-old demon.
Yes, hello Arnold. What's going on?
My girlfriend's son despises me. He stares angrily at me when we are eating dinner, and he refuses to do anything I ask him to do. He tells his mother that I hit him every time she leaves the room. He told me he is going to do everything he can to make his mother throw me out of the house. Do you think my relationship with his mother has a future?
Okay Arnold, let me see what I can see. I will close my eyes and use my mind to see if I can see a vision. Yes, I see something. I see a shadow of a man handling what looks like a child some money. Yes, the child is grabbing the money. Now I see a woman entering the room and my vision is showing a classic happy family. The woman is hugging the man, while the child is sitting on the couch counting money. They look like one happy family.
So you want me to bribe the little brat? That's idiotic. Just bribe the little monster. I'm not going to do it. Thanks for nothing.
Hello. Oh well, I guess he hung up. It's kind of sad how some people refuse to abide by the ways of the world. Let's have our next caller.
Our next caller is Jenny. She claims her husband wants his mother to come and live with them.
Hello Jenny, I hear your husband wants his mama to invade your domain.
Yes, Ronaldo. He says his mother is lonely and needs to move in with us. Will we lose our privacy, or will she ruin our marriage?
Let me see what I see. I'm closing my eyes and yes, I'm getting a shadow of a vision. I see a man sitting in a living room. And I also see an elderly lady sitting in a chair next to him. She seems to be doing all the talking. Months are going by and my vision isn't changing. Now years are going by and my vision still isn't changing. What do you think it means?
It means that the dork is going to end up living with his mother. Thanks, Ronaldo. You've really helped me.
Well, Peter, it looks like another satisfied customer.
Our next caller is Candy. She's worried because her boyfriend has been sentenced to 18 years in jail.
Hello, Candy. What can I do for you?
My boyfriend has been sentenced to 18 years in prison. I really love him and I'm willing to, wait for him. But my family and friends tell me to, dump him. I really don't know what to do. Do you, see a good future for us?
Okay, Candy. It seems like your boyfriend is going to do some hard time. Some states allow conjugal visits, but many don't. Looks like you could be in for some hard time too. Let me close my eyes and dig deep down in my brain and see what I see. Yes, I see a vision. It's two people writing letters and sometimes talking on the phone. They seem to be doing fine. What do you think? Would you be willing to live like the people in my vision?
I don't know. I will think about it. Goodbye.
Well, Peter, do you think they have a chance to live a happy life?
No. Hell no. Okay, the next caller says her ex-husband is a cheap toad who is constantly late with her alimony payments.
Okay, how can I help you?
You can send me my alimony check.
Thelma, I told you not to call me while I'm at work.
How else am I going to talk to you? You've blocked all my calls on your cell phone. So, are you still reading palms for a living?
I don't read palms. I'm a romantic psychic.
Whatever, all I know is because my rent is due, and I need my alimony check.
You know, Thelma, we've been divorced for 20 years. Don't you think I've suffered enough?
No, I think you need to suffer some more. Some years you didn't pay me anything. That's why you haven't finished paying me alimony. Hey, you know, I think I can see the future too. I see you standing before a judge if you don't pay me my alimony check.
Okay. I will put your check in the mail as soon as I finish my podcast.
You'd better, or I will find new ways to make your life miserable.
Great. She hung up.
Well, how long were you married?
We were married for 1 year, and it was the longest year of my life.
I guess your psychic vision wasn't working 20 years ago. Our last caller is Carly, who says her 21-year-old sister is visiting. Carly says she and her husband never invited her, and now she refuses to leave. Carly doesn't know what to do.
Hello, Callie. What's going on?
Didn't mind my sister visiting, but she just sits around all day and watches TV. When my husband comes home from work, she flirts with him. He loves it and says it's almost like having 2 wives.
That can't be good. Let me close my eyes and dig deep into my mind to see what I can see. Yes, I am beginning to see a vision. Yes, it's coming clear. I see 2 women fighting over a banana. Yes, apparently there is only 1 banana, and the 2 women are fighting for it. Now I see 1 woman grabbing the banana and running away with it. Yes, she is gone and the other woman is all alone. Does my vision mean anything to you?
Yeah, my sister is not going to steal my banana. I'm telling her she has to leave.
All right, Callie, best of luck. Great call. Well, Peter, it looks like another podcast has come to an end.
Yes, another unbelievable podcast.
Goodbye to all. Okay, Peter, let's go to lodge.
This podcast is produced by Electronic Animation. This has been a Leaky Raft production.